In some cases, mechanical thermometers have a process connection built into the sensor for direct installation in the system. However, there are situations where such installation is not possible for various reasons. In such cases, it is necessary to use a thermowell. Here is a brief overview of situations where a thermowell is necessary. Thermowells can have flange connections, such as the TW10 model, hygienic connections, such as the TW22 model, or be weld-in versions, such as the TW55 model. When the process connection is already prepared on the installation or a specific technology for connecting elements is required, a thermowell becomes necessary for mounting the thermometer. Another important reason for using a protection tube is maintenance. Thanks to the protection tube, the temperature sensor can be replaced or checked without draining the medium from the installation. All you have to do is remove it from the sleeve. This solution is very cost-effective. Often, the costs of stopping the process or draining the medium are unacceptable. Another parameter that is also important for temperature measurement is the well-known pressure. Thermometers can operate directly under a pressure of 25 bar or less. If the process involves higher parameters, a cover is necessary. One-piece covers made from a single piece of material can withstand pressures of up to several hundred bar and effectively protect the thermometer sensor. Of course, in such demanding applications, it is necessary to calculate the pressure resistance based on the dimensions of the cover, the parameters of the medium, the flow rate of the medium, and the position of the cover relative to the axis of the pipeline. If you are unsure about the selection, the specialists at Automatica 24 will help you with the support of experts from Weka. The protection of the temperature sensor provided by the thermowell also protects against aggressive media and corrosion. In any case, where a special material or high-resistance surface coating is required, we can manufacture a suitable thermowell. Finally, it is also worth paying attention to the mechanical protection of the thermometer sensor. Spiral covers are an interesting solution. The flow of liquid in the pipeline behind the cover shaft can create a Kármán vortex street. This can cause the cover to vibrate and be destroyed by resonance. A spiral band arranged along the core of the thermometer cover inhibits the formation of a distinct Kármán vortex path. Thanks to the reduced amplitude of scattered vortices, vibration excitation of the thermowell can be avoided. In addition, if the measuring medium contains solid particles or has abrasive properties, the thermowell absorbs all wear and tear, and the sensor operates under safe conditions. Even if abrasive wear of the sheath material cannot be avoided, it is possible, for example, to increase the wall thickness of the sheath and extend the service life of the installation. In summary, covers increase the durability of measuring systems, facilitate servicing, and allow for safe operation in demanding industrial conditions. The selection of the appropriate cover is crucial for the reliability of measurements. Please contact the Automatica 24